lecture number 19, the method of preparation of KMnO4. Even this is important. Now again, as I repeat, the alternate method of preparations are expected, like every year it is being expected. It's a 3-mark question, KMnO4 as well as K2Cr2O7. Now we start with the method of preparation of KMnO4. Now, what is the ore? First of all, potassium permanganate is prepared from pyrolusite. Pyrolusite ore. Pyrolusite is what? It is MnO2 by the following steps. Now, first of all, it is fused with a alkali metal hydroxide. That is either KOH or K2CO3 in the presence of an oxidizing agent. Abhi, what are all the oxidizing agents used? It can be Km, it can be KNO3, or it can be KClO3. In air, a green colored potassium magnate K2MnO4 is obtained. Abhi, see, these are all the oxidizing agents: oxygen, KNO3, KClO3. What to remember is, see, right hand side में main product you are getting K2MnO4. अगर K2CO3 है, it is converted to, वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है. KNO3 is converted to KNO2. KClO3 is converted to KCl. Water तो common है. K2MnO4 तो common है. K2CO3 is converted to CO2. So this can be a trick by which you can remember the equations. Balancing the equations you can do by your own if you are good enough to balance the equations. So that is all about the first part of the equation. Abhi, once you get K2MnO4, then it can be converted to KMnO4 by either of the two-step process. Like it can be either oxidation or it can be either the electrolytic method. So the first method is oxidation. Abhi, the oxidizing, see, if you see the reactions, you can see that it is reacted with the acids, right? Either it is oxidizing agent, even chlorine is an oxidizing agent, or ozone is an oxidizing agent. And what to remember, it is reacted with sulfuric acid. Second step में it is H2CO3. So these two are acids. Main product is KMnO4 because it's a method to prepare KMnO4. And MnO2 is a product you can see in the first reaction where it is reacted with sulfuric acid. It is converted to K2SO4, MnO4, KMnO4, H2O and MnO2. If it is CO2, it is converted to KHCO3. So if it is chlorine ka reaction easy hai, it is converted to KCl and KMnO4. When it is reacted with water and ozone, ozone is converted to O2. See, now these can be some of the tricks by which you can remember the equations, and then balancing is important. So this only can be done by writing. So this is the first way, that is by oxidation it can be prepared. KMnO4 can be prepared. The next is by the electrolytic method. Abhi in the electrolysis, K2MnO4 it is electrolyzed. Ion electrodes are separated by diaphragm, so that the magnet ion MnO4 minus, it undergoes oxidation at the anode, forming permanganate, that is MnO4 minus. Anode पे reaction क्या होगा? It is MnO4 2 minus is converted to MnO4 minus 1 charge, and the loss of electron, anode oxidation, loss of electron, cathode reduction, gain of electron takes place. So H plus is evolved and hydrogen gas is evolved because H plus is converted to H0. Cathode reduction, gain of electrons, anode oxidation, loss of electrons. In the electrolysis reaction, OH is oxidized at the anode, liberating oxygen gas, which is also oxidizes MnO4 2 minus to MnO4 minus charge. So this is the reaction which takes place, that is OH minus is converted to O and water, loss of 2 electrons, and then that is gained by K2MnO4 converted to KMnO4 and KOH. So finally filtered to obtain the deep blue purple colored of KMnO4. So that is all regarding the method of preparation of KMnO4. In the next lecture, we start with the reactions of KMnO4.